You need to put in the work. Consistent work is what gets you to where you want to be. Anything less or anything more, and the results might be shaky. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Noor Mohammed. I'm 22 and I live in Karachi. Personally, I've invested a lot of time into self development, and I can assure you that there's one thing that you absolutely need. Tip समझ लो से अगर वो होगी ना तो you will make it where you want to. Which is of course the title of the video, which is consistency. सही है. इस पे वो विल स्मिथ की बात बहुत सही से अप्लाई होती है, which is like you build one brick at a time, eventually you'll have a wall. So that wall is a metaphor for whatever you're trying to build in life. The thing is, you have to set goals. और उस goal तक पहुंचने के लिए you don't have to set yourself achievements. You have to set yourself targets. इस time में मुझे ये चीज़ करनी है. And if you consistently put in the work and achieve that small little target that you've set for the day or for the week or for the month, then eventually you'll get somewhere. Point of this video is to give you 4 reasons to see why consistency always wins out. सबसे पहले, consistency teaches you what works and what doesn't. जब भी तुम कुछ करने जाओगे ना, you'll have several paths to reach to that goal. किसी दिन तुम कुछ ट्राई करोगे, किसी दिन तुम कुछ ट्राई करोगे. और अगर तुम एक चीज बार बार ट्राई करते रहे, you'll have enough time and enough experience to see what works. Once you find what works, easy game then. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. और वो जो चीज जो चलती है ना, it will always work. You have to go through failures. You have to experience with stuff that didn't work, and then you'll find out what actually works for you. Secondly, consistency means that you're always building towards your goal. There are no breaks. There are no shortcomings. There's no stopping you from getting to where you want to. कोई रुकावट आ नहीं सकती because you've set yourself the goal or you will accomplish that. You have to ingrain it into your brain. वो मैं करूँगा ये चीज़ उस वक्त. This is a simple philosophy to beat out procrastination. You overthink because you don't act. But if you keep acting, then you won't overthink and you won't procrastinate. अब procrastination तो question से ही निकल गया ना, because you keep working towards your goal. रोज अगर तुम कुछ ना कुछ करोगे तो वो जो मेहनत है वो कहीं ना कहीं तो जाएगी. It's not gonna vanish. It's gonna pay off. Third thing, जो consistency से discipline आता है ना, they're both correlated वैसे तो. जो discipline है और जो consistency है, they both go hand in hand. इतना discipline होना चाहिए that other people call it obsession. My goal, for example, is to run a 20-minute 5K. Right now, my PB is 22 minutes. मैं अगर रोज 5 बजे वो 5K का टाइम बढ़ाना चाह रहा हूँ, 5 बजे उठ के, तो लोग मुझे पागल समझेंगे. But that's consistency. अब मेरे दिन में है ही वो सुबह के 1 घंटे का टाइम, उसमें मैं भागूंगा. You have to be इतना डिसिप्लिन कि लोग समझें कि obsession है. But वो इसलिए है क्योंकि उनके पास कोई डिसिप्लिन है नहीं. तो they will look at your discipline and call it obsession. अगर आगे निकलना है तो वो बातें सुननी पड़ेंगी. लोग बातें ही बनाते हैं. Another thing that consistency does, it absolutely cuts off all forms of laziness. तुम अपना पूरा दिन अपने बिस्तर में रील स्क्रॉल करते हुए गुजार सकते हो. वो भी तो consistency है. That's not paying off. कहीं पे भी. You're not achieving anything. Even if it's academic, even if it's some hobby that you want to pursue, तुम रोज अगर उठ के उसकी तरफ कोई मेहनत कर रहे हो, तो you will achieve that goal. And that is the payoff of consistency. And lastly, this is something that is very important, I think. Consistency means that you are showing up every single day. So there will be wins or there will be losses. There will be shortcomings. There will be days where you are in the dumps. What does that teach you? Say you build yourself up. You become hardened. You do not get distracted. You have your personal space and boundaries. तुमने अपने लिए time set किया हुआ है. You are doing your work उस time में, सही है? And that's not just like तुम्हारी day-to-day life में hardening. That's a mental hardening. You will become mentally stronger if you give yourself time and you give time towards your self-improvement. Now, how do you become consistent? ऐसा क्या कर सकते हो? Look, firstly, you need to have a goal. You have to have ambition. तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए to build towards. A very simple example, you start a channel and you want to grow up to 1,000 subscribers. अब तुम्हें सबसे पहले तो ये भी नहीं पता कि क्या अपलोड करूँ, कैसे अपलोड करूँ, तो तुम वो सब सीखोगे और सिर्फ वीडियोस देख देख के नहीं होगा. You have to get up and actually record yourself doing work. और देखो, you have to build towards consistency as well. As weird as that sounds, so you have to build yourself up towards consistency. इसका क्या मतलब है? Let's say when I was a teenager, I used to sit in bed all day. फोन पे movies देख ली, फोन पे गेम खेल ली. फिर क्या हुआ? I realized one day कि मुझे कुछ करना है. I realized that सबसे पहले बास्केटबॉल खेलनी है मुझे. तो I got up और मैं गया and I used to practice daily. अब क्या होता है? Let's say you set yourself a goal. तुम रोज practice करोगे. Went on a streak. You practice straight for like 8 days. But you didn't practice for the 9th day. So does that mean you have failed? It does not. That means out of 9 days you failed once. वो consistency आहिस्ता आहिस्ता build होगी. Even if you go play on the 10th day, that's still a 90% success rate. So you have to zone in and ignore the lack of consistency. And एंड एक वक्त आएगा where you start to see results. जो juice उससे मिलेगा ना तुम्हें, जो power उससे मिलेगी तुम्हें. Oh, I'm seeing results now, I'll put in more effort. I feel like that's a feeling that everyone should experience at least once. I've been Noor Mohammed. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो please subscribe, comment down below what you thought of the video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.